Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable remote access in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to disable remote access in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on start, type here control panel, CONTR, open control panel. After click on system and security, click on system in here, allow remote access. After uncheck this box, click on apply, click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable remote access in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video or put out note. Thank you for watching this video.